Hi everyone, with me today I have this phone case for my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus. This one's incredible because not only is it scratch resistant and shockproof, but is also dirt proof and super easy to install. As you can see, the back is clear, which you can go ahead and put stickers in there. You can slide your ID in the back or keep some cash on you so you always know what's behind there. I really like the finishing touches to the corners. All the buttons are nice and covered. And here at the bottom, if you take a look, you have a protectant sleeve so no dirt gets inside, especially when you charge your phone all the time and that port stays open. Dirt and everything and grime gets in there, so I really like that they close that off. And as well on this side for the headphones, it's nice and tight. They also include a little wrist strap that you can go ahead and connect right here on the bottom so you can hold this onto your arm. That is totally optional as well, but I definitely recommend checking this out on Amazon. It's an awesome phone case and really gets the job done.